a small wooden carving shaped like a bird, but balanced like an airplane, found in a tomb older than flight itself. Egypt, 1898. In the sands near Saqqara, archaeologists uncover a curious object buried among sacred relics, a 6-inch wooden figure with wings. But it isn't quite a bird. The tail is vertical, like a rudder. The wings curve like a glider's. And it's perfectly balanced around a central axis, centuries before aerodynamics was even defined. Some believe it was a child's toy. Others, a ritual symbol of Horus, the god of the sky. Yet a few see it as something else entirely. A fragment of knowledge handed down from a forgotten age, when humankind didn't just worship the heavens but understood them. From the depths we rose, and in the dust we found the shape of flight. What else have we forgotten above us? The voice of the archives will continue to look upward, to remember